Hello smart people, Mr. H here. In this video, we're going to talk about lesson 4-2, writing an equation in slope-intercept form. So as you say that writing an equation, what we've been practiced like on the bellboard, we use point-slope form. This is slope-intercept form, which is y equal to mx plus b. So that is our practice for today. To write an equation, you have two methods. You have slope-intercept form, which is today's lesson, and point slope form, which you practice on the bellwork, on the quizette, which we're gonna go more in depth of the point slope form tomorrow for the next lesson. Again, today's lesson will focus on slope intercept form. Okay, example 1, writing an equation equation of the line. Excuse me. Write an equation of the line passing through the point 2 and 1 with the slope of 3. So y, slope-intercept form, y equal to mx plus b, right? So far we know the slope is 3. We know the m is 3. Okay, the x and y is given, which is this point is x and y value. So that will be, normally we put x1, y1, but over here we only have only one x and one y, so we just plug in straightforward. The y will be 1 and the x will be 2. Since m and x side by side would mean they multiply, so you're going to multiply them. 3 times 2 is 6 plus b equal to 1. And continue solving for b. We're going to subtract 6 to both sides. That will give me -5 equal to b, or b equal to -5, right? Subtract 6 to both sides, that cross each other out, b equal to -5. So the equation, the slope-intercept form is y equal to mx plus b. Now we have the full equation, which is y equal to, okay, I'm sorry about that, I'm going to fix that really quick. Y equal to, your m is given, which is 3x. Your b is what we're solving for, is -5. So y equal to 3x minus 5. That's it. Okay. So to use slope-intercept form, they already give you slope. You need to find the y-intercept. Okay. Pause the video, take a second, look through it one more time to make sure that you understand what's going on. Okay, if you do, go ahead and do problem 2 and 3. Pause the video so you can check the answer with me in a second. Okay, I will walk you through this problem. Again, try it out first before I do it. Go to mx plus b. We know our slope is 3. We know our x is -2. We know the y is 5. Right? X, y order pair. So 5 equal to 3 times x, which is -2, plus b. So we try to solve for b. So 5 equal to -6 plus b is similar like what we did earlier. They add 6 to both sides. So your b will be 5 plus 6 is 11, equal to b. Okay. So the equation is y equal to mx plus b, which is y equal to m is 3, x plus 11. Your b is 11. This is your x, is your slope is 3, which we have from the beginning. That's it. Okay. So now if you just write down the answer on problem 2, go ahead and do problem 3 by yourself before you look at the answer. Okay. For problem 3, I'm going to do it silently because I kind of losing my voice right now. given m is negative 1, x minus 3. And that's it. Negative 3, and m is negative 1. Okay. All right, problem 4. Right, equation given 2 points. So they don't give you the slope anymore. They give you 2 points and ask you to find the equation. You may need a lot of space for this one, so I'm going to utilize the space on your left side. You can write on that part. Okay, so first we need to find slope. First, you know, find slope. Right, but you don't have slope, we need to find slope. Okay, so m equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. That will be 4 minus 1. Excuse me. 4 minus 1 and 2 minus 3. That will give me 3 over negative 1, which is negative 3. So m is negative 3. And then y equal to mx plus b. We already have m is negative 3. We need to solve for b. Right? So you need x and y. It doesn't matter which point you plug in. Pick one and then plug it in like what we did earlier. So your x is 2 and your y is 4. You're going to plug it in. So that will be 4 equal negative 3 times x, which is 2, plus b. So 4 equals to negative 6 plus b. Then you're going to add 4, add 6 to both sides. B equal to 10, right? Now we can put them together. So this problem is a step up from the other one, is that you need to find slope. The procedure of the half of the problem is the same. B m negative 3 x plus b, which is 10. Excuse me. That's it. All right, good. Do number 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. If you know how to do it, go for it. So first, you need to find slope. Y2 is negative 6 minus minus 2, and then negative 5 minus minus 4. Oops. Two negative will turn positive, so that will give me negative 4. 2 negative will be turned positive, that will be negative 1, so slope is 4. Plus b. So m is 4. Your x and y, you can pick any point. I will pick the smaller point, some smaller value. That would be negative 4 here. And negative 2 here. That will be negative 2 equal to negative 16 plus b. Add 16 to both sides. So 14 equal to b. Y equal to 4x plus 14. Okay. Now is this over 1 for you? Do number 6 and 7. If it's over 1 for you, number 6, find slope first. Before I do the problem for you, do the slope first. And then after you check my answer for slope, do the next half of the problem. Oh, I make a mistake here. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. So 8 equal to B, or B equal to 8. To negative 4x plus 8. That's it. Number 7. Negative 7. Interesting. So you have something like this, negative 7 over 3 plus b. Then you add 7 over 3 to both sides. Huh, this problem is cool. So b equal to 7 over 3. Okay, so y equal to mx plus b. Y equal to 1/3 x plus 7/3, like that. Okay. Number 8, in addition to his weekly salary, Ethan is paid $16 per delivery. Last week he made 5 deliveries and his total was 215. Write a linear equation to find Ethan total weekly pay T if he make D delivery. Okay, so in additional to his weekly salary, Ethan get paid $16 per delivery. Okay, per delivery. So every delivery he has $16. Every per, that will tell you slope. So this is indicate slope is 16. Last week he made 5 deliveries and his total was 215. So 5 delivery, he earned 215. So this is a point, right? One more time, in additional to his weekly salary, so he has a certain amount that he get paid weekly, and then on top of that he earns $16 more for every delivery. So the question is, we know slope is 16, we need to find B. They say that write an equation to find Ethan total weekly pay T if he make D delivery. So y equal to mx plus b, right? So y equal to 16x plus b, in which y is 215. 16 times x is 5 plus b. That will give us 215 equal to 16 times 5, 30, 80. 80 plus b. Then continue solving for b, you subtract 80 to both sides. That will give you 35 equal to b. So his initial value, or the pay that he had from the beginning, not counting delivery, is $35. So y equal to mx plus b. Y equal to slope is $16 per delivery plus 35 weekly salary. But now if you put in y equal to 16x plus 35, they will say it's wrong. So you have to put in the indicate variable. They say that write a linear equation to find Ethan total weekly pay is T if he make D delivery. So he makes $16 per delivery. That will be 16D plus 35, and the T is the total, which is Y. Okay. How much money Ethan will earn in a week if he make 8 delivery? So T equal to 16D plus 35. This time he make 8 delivery, so there's going to be 8 here. Okay, that will be 48, write 8, remember 4, and then 112 plus 35. So the total was, $163. Okay, PQA, put question into the answer. How much money Ethan will earn in a week if he make 8 delivery? So Ethan will earn $163 in a week if he makes 8 deliveries. That's it. Alright, last question, right? Yes, last question. Go try that question before I go over it. When you're done, do the summary. I will check your summary tomorrow. Again, I will check your summary tomorrow. Please get it done today. You probably have a plenty of time in class too. Okay. Grant is driving a remote control car at the constant speed. He starts the timer when the car is 5 feet away. After 2 seconds, the car is 35 feet away. He started a timer when the car is 5 feet away. The timer is 5 feet away, so that's the point 0, 5, because that's 0 times 0 second, right? And then after 2 seconds, so 2, 35. Write the equation to find the distance of the car from Grant. Estimate the distance of the car travel in 10 seconds. So we have 2 points. You need to find slope. Okay, so it take him 15 feet per second. Your slope is 15 feet per second. So y, I'm going to use the smaller number. Y is 5 equal to 15. X is 0 plus b. Ooh, straightforward. So 5 equal to b. What makes sense is y-intercept is 0, 0b with 0, 5. So the equation is y equal to 15x plus 5. 15 is slope, b is 5. They ask you after 10 seconds, you're going to plug it in. 15 times 10. That will be 150 plus 5 is 155. 155 what? 155 feet. Okay, PQA, estimate the distance of the car travel after 10 seconds. So the car has traveled 155 feet. After 10 seconds. Alright, that's it for today. Please do the summary. I will check your answer tomorrow. Okay. Hopefully, I'll get better tomorrow. But I think I will be at school tomorrow. One day, get my throw a day off from talking. Alright guys, good luck. Make sure you complete the note, do the summary. I will check your summary tomorrow. Thanks guys for staying on task.